Hey guys, as you can see, I've literally just woken up. I look a little bit crazy, but today I thought I'd just film a little vlog for you and see what I get up to on this lovely Friday. Maybe I'll do it for the weekend, but I think I'm mainly doing stuff today as I'm working on Sunday. So I'm gonna get my nails done, that's for sure. We're gonna take Harvey on a walk and yeah, just have a nice day hopefully. So if you're interested in following along with me, then please continue watching. He always wants me to throw his ball on this, but I never do because it stays at the bottom. Come on, bud. I haven't even thrown the ball yet. Whoops, sorry, that was so wobbly. Whoop. Good boy. Eek. Oh, hair tree. Look at the cute little ducks. Oh, Bobby. Oh my god, I thought his ball was going to roll down then. You want your ball? So I actually live off dry shampoo a little bit when I dye my hair, so I haven't washed my hair since it's been dyed. I'm not going to say how long that has been, but I'm really scared because I hope it doesn't rinse out. So I always use Schwarzkopf, and I'm pretty sure when I've used this pink before, it's been a lot deeper. So this is very pastel, and I don't know why, but yeah, let's see how much it fades. So my hair actually didn't lose too much pink, to be honest, which I'm quite happy about. So I just wanted to quickly go over skincare. So if you watched my last video, I was trying these two bad boys for the first time by ByBeautyBay. So I've been using them for a few days now. And to be honest, I know my skin is still crazy bad, but it's calmed down a little bit. You know, some hair are kind of almost going. So I'm hoping with longer use, it should help. The only thing I've noticed since trying them is that I'm like normal to dry skin anyway, I get dry patches. But this chin area has been a little bit dry in places, like almost flaking off. So I don't know if that's a process of using a serum or, you know, because I know one of these products help with like getting rid of pigmentation, so maybe it's just like shredding some layers of my skin. But if you know more about skincare than me, I definitely need to do some research, but please let me know because I gotta know what she's doing. She's just trying stuff out. So I kind of still am using those, but I'm also using the MAC Magic Radiance Fix Plus because that just gives really good hydration. It has essential oils in, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, so all of those products are going to lock your skin in. So I'm just making sure to use this as well to kind of combat those dry areas. I don't think last time as well in my video I showed you what eye cream I use. So I like the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. So I don't know if it does much, but I do notice that my fine lines aren't as present. So I do like to use this day and night. I'm going to take the ByBeautyBay Head in the Clouds palette, and I'm literally going to use the colour Aura Blue, like buffed on my eyelid, maybe a bit of white in the inner corner, with a wing liner. So just like really simple. I'm not that on time today, so I just need to get a move on and get it done. I legit nearly forgot to do my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna do them real quick. Ow! That was locked and I just really hurt my wrist trying to do that. We're done. So we're just going to wear like a tracksuit today. This was from the Olivia Atwood X Eyes Were At First collection. I don't know why, but these are like 2 greens, which is kind of crazy, but oh well, we still live for a lime green moment. And obviously I have pink hair and blue eyes. I'm a little bit crazy, but you know, don't be normal. That's the motto here. Forces, they definitely need a bit of a clean, but hey ho. These are the nails. To be fair, I went a little bit more simpler than I wanted, but that's okay. They're still really cute. And I went for my pink vibes at the moment to match my hair. So yes, this is the nails. Looking cute. Little doggy stuck in traffic. Woohoo! So I'm home now, and I thought I'd just put this in the vlog. So basically, I won a little Instagram competition for Prima lashes. So I'm going to open them and see what they look like. All I did was like the post and that. And then I won out of thousands of people. How lucky is that? No way I was going to try and open that on camera, but I'm going to tip them out on camera. Whoa. Here the bad boys are. Oh, they're actually really nice. They did not do them justice on the picture. These ones are called, let's find it, not there, Vibes. They're actually really pretty. Oh, I can't wait to use them. How nice. Thank you so much, Prima Lashes. Represent. That's so cute. I didn't realise there was a little card in there as well, and it says congratulations, we hope you love our lashes as much as we do. Oh yeah, cute. That is adorable. Thank you so much. I haven't cooked my dinner. No swearing in the vlog.
Oh, no swearing.
I don't know how to bleep that out. That's an issue. Little baby boy.
Go on, do you want to cuddle? Yes, you do. Ouchie.
Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Oh, little Grumps.
Hello, baby
Little
boy.
Grump. I'm trying to get his face, not yours. Move out the way. Mommy. He's like, yes, snacks, food. So just went to cook the steak and then check the freezer, and Alex has no chips. I like sweet potato fries, which we have, but he has no chips. So the steak is currently waiting for the chips. We're waiting for Alex. Hopefully he doesn't take long and he gets his booty in gear. But yeah, annoying, but it is what it is. Ooh, this is dinner. This is dessert. I'm checking that was so cringe, wasn't it? I had to put my peas in a separate bowl because it doesn't fit on this plate because that steak is huge. I'm sorry if anyone's a vegetarian. Chin chin, bitch.
Cheers.
Wow, so enthusiastic.
2 little bits to hold that up.
We're currently trying to work out how to play this game that my mum got Alex and us because he loves Star Wars. So this is the situation. It's not going very well, is it?
It's going great.
Grand. Look at all the little people. This is a little insect man. Wow, I'm looking a little bit crazy. The makeup's kind of gone downhill. Yeah, I'm just about to take it off. This is the makeup remover I like to use. It's really good, just getting it all off. So I'm just going to take my makeup off and we're going to go to bed. We gave up on the Star Wars game because it's too complicated and we're too tired from our day of crazy. So yeah, this and off to bed. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you haven't already and subscribe if you would like to see more. I'm hoping we're on a roll now, but who knows with me? Who knows? Just keep praying for you and praying for me that I keep making amazing content. So I'm just rambling at this point. But yeah, thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!